Hello, welcome to the Joy of Yoga. I'm Joy Scola. Welcome back to day 2 of our 5 video series for you getting confident with going upside down on your yoga trapeze. We are going to get started just standing in front of the trapeze or behind, it doesn't really matter right now. Getting your feet underneath your hips, standing up nice and tall, really rolling into your joints, getting nice and soft. Press into your feet. As you press into your feet, feel everything reach back up towards the sky in response. Inhale, roll your shoulders up, back and down, palms face forward. Chin tucks back slightly. We're gonna start with a little body awareness breathing here. Inhale into your whole body. Exhale down. Beautiful, just breathe like that for a few rounds. Breathing into your whole body, just feeling into what's going on today. So when we start to get upside down, everything goes topsy-turvy in our brain. As I'm talking, you can just keep breathing into your body. And so what we want to do is create the body spatial awareness within inside ourselves, so when we are upside down or our eyes are closed, we can still reach for our ankle and find it. We can still grab for something and know where it's going to be and not be like, wow. So inhaling into your whole body once more. Exhale down. You can gently close your eyes if they're open or leave a soft gaze if that's not comfortable for you. And start to breathe into your head. Feel your ears, your mouth, your nose, your eyes, your brain. Breathe into your whole head as one orb of sensation and light. And start to notice your neck, maybe the back of your neck, the front of your neck, and the sides of your neck. Breathe into your whole neck as one orb of sensation and light. And then breathing into your left shoulder, the back of your left shoulder, the front of your left shoulder, moving across your heart, front of the heart, front of the right shoulder, back of the right shoulder, back of the heart, your whole upper torso as one orb of sensation and light. And breathing into your left arm, your left hand. Breathe into your right arm, your right hand. Breathe into both arms and hands as two orbs of sensation and light. And breathe into your belly, aka your core. And your back, also part of your core. And the sides of your waist. And breathe into your whole core as one orb of sensation and light. And then we'll breathe into the front of our hips, to our buttocks, and the sides of our hips. Breathing into your whole hip region as though it were one sensation of light. Breathe into your left leg, your thigh, your knee, your calf, your foot, up the back, your shin, or well, now it's your calf, back of the knee, back of the thighs, your right leg, the quad, top of the knee, the shin, top of the foot, under the foot, up the back of the calf, the hamstrings. Breathing into both legs as though they were both one orb of sensation and light. Beautiful. So slowly breathing, gently flutter your eyes open. We can take our feet nice and wide. We're in a big wide stance here, and our arms come out to the side. We're going to play a little body twister. So just like the game, I just call for a stretch. Stretch if you want. It feels good. All right. So just like the game Twister on the ground, red dot, green dot, we're going to kind of be doing that with our body. So starting with our right hand, we're going to inhale, exhale, touch your left shoulder. Your eyes can be open here. You have your left arm out if you want. Inhale, release. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale. Exhale, left wrist. Inhale, exhale, hand to hand. Beautiful. Inhale, open. Exhale, left hand to right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to right elbow. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to right wrist. Inhale. Exhale, hands together. Beautiful. Inhale, open wide. Exhale, right hand to left hip. Inhale, open. Exhale, right hand to left knee. Inhale, open. Exhale, right hand to left ankle. Inhale, open. Exhale, left hand, make an L with your hands, and then you can find out which one's your left if you were confused. Left hand to right hip. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to right knee. Open. Exhale, left hand to right ankle. Inhale, open. Beautiful. So now let's see if we can do that with our eyes closed. So inhale here, eyes are closed. Exhale, right hand to left shoulder. Inhale, open. And see if you can do this without looking. Exhale, right hand to left elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale, right hand to left wrist. You can bring your left arm to your right hand if that helps you find it. But again, trying to keep the eyes closed. Inhale, open. Exhale, palms together. Beautiful. You can open your eyes for a second. Check out your hands. Pretty even. Yeah. All right. Beautiful. Inhale, eyes closed, arms out wide. Exhale, left hand to right shoulder. Inhale, open. Exhale, left hand to right elbow. Inhale. Exhale to right wrist. Inhale, open. Exhale, palm to palm. Beautiful. Keeping these eyes closed. Inhale, open. Exhale, right hand to left hip. Inhale. Exhale, right hand to left knee. Maybe trying to keep the left side of the body where it is. Just bring the right to it. Inhale, open. Exhale, right hand to left ankle. Inhale, open. Just noticing how long does it take for your body to find that specific part. Exhale, left hand to right hip. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to right knee. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to right ankle. Beautiful. Inhale up. Exhale, release. That's awesome. So again, it's really crucial that we know where our body parts are in space, because once we start to move around and get upside down, things really go topsy-turvy. So practicing those things, if you have a hard time when you get upside down, finding your ankle and things like that will really help your body spatial awareness. So next, we're gonna hang on to one side of our trapeze. You can just grab on, making like an okay with your hand. And then we're gonna practice some swings. So taking your weight into your left leg, swinging that right leg out. We're just gonna get our legs moving here a little bit. And then what I want us to do is after a few swings, try and catch your leg with your hand, wherever that is, whether it's under the knee, the thigh, the ankle, and then release and swing. And then can we do that behind? Swing and grab and catch. Again, whatever you reach for, just check it out. No judgments, we're just trying, right? We all have to start somewhere. Swing and catch the front, and then release and swing. Beautiful. Swing and catch the back. Nice. So if it takes a little bit of a second, it takes me like one tap, and then my second tap, I've got my ankle. But one more time each side. Kicking forward, catch. Nice. Swing, swing, swing. And then catch. Nice. So that time I went and grabbed it right away. Practice helps. So then we can come to the other side. Same thing. Weight comes into our right leg now. Left leg swings. And then swing up, catch. Again, wherever you can reach. Go, swing, catch behind. Beautiful. Swing, 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 catch up front. Swing, 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 catch behind. Swing, 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 catch. Nice, last time. Swing, 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 catch the back. Beautiful. And then slowly release. Nice. So now we're gonna get into our floating down dog like we were in last time. We're gonna have our hips come right over the fabric, and we're gonna hinge forward. So we're coming into that 90 degrees angle, or maybe a little bit wider, so just letting the body hang. Again, you can either have the fabric hinged right underneath, or you can even spread it out a little bit and then set your whole hips on top. So hanging here in our floating down dog, release the arms. We're gonna inhale, exhale, take your right hand to your left ankle, release, exhale, left hand. Did I just say that? Right hand to left ankle, and then inhale, left hand to right ankle, inhale, exhale, right hand to left ankle, inhale, exhale, left hand to right ankle. Or just moving like that, getting used to crossing the body while being upside down. We're still feeling supported because we have one hand on the earth. Beautiful. One more time each side. Nice. And then both hands come down. Slowly walk your hands up as your feet get heavy to come stand back up. Beautiful. So again, these are all things that you can continue to practice to get more comfortable with, especially if you're starting out and it's still a little bit nerve-wracking. So now we can hook our hips right onto the hammock, let it kind of carry us back a little bit, or you can always keep one leg down. If you want to keep one leg down, that's fine, so then you're not really in the hammock at all, so there's no real way to hinge that. You can just kind of pretend that you're in the hammock if you don't want to float, but if you want to float, we can still kind of keep our chest up. So I let my legs go and reach my left hand really high up. So here I'm going to bend my back foot and reach for my ankle. Beautiful. And then release. Then I'm going to drop my left leg, or my right leg heavier as I lift my left leg up, grabbing with the right side, bending that back knee, reaching for your ankle. Nice. And then peek it heavy, I switch my hands. This time maybe reaching for the opposite foot. Right hand to left ankle. Or if that's just still too much, right hand, right ankle. Beautiful. then switching your grip. Maybe again, try a cross. So I'm bringing my hand behind, in through, between the fabric, grabbing that back ankle. You can just touch it. You don't have to necessarily grab it. Or same, or maybe both. Beautiful. Let's do that a couple times. Switching grips. First, if you can, cross right to left, and then right to right. Beautiful. Switch. Left to right, and then left to left. Beautiful. Both hands come back down. You can get heavy with the legs, standing back up. Awesome. So eventually, when you just get upside down, you're doing all of those same things, especially say in a dancer pose, which I can demonstrate for you real fast, or even if you want to try. You know how to get upside down and you're comfortable doing that when you wrap one leg. So now we're upside down, things are kind of topsy-turvy, and someone goes, okay, now grab your ankle. Your body has a better understanding of where that ankle is. And now your body has more confidence when being upside down. Awesome. I'm super proud of you guys. I know that going upside down after you haven't done something like this in a long time isn't super easy, but I feel that we don't stop playing because we get old. We get old because we stop playing. So if we keep playing and we keep getting upside down, we can hold on to our youthfulness and our liveliness, vivaciousness, for as long as we continue to do this. If you don't use it, you lose it. That's what I always say. So it's okay. Remember when you used to get upside down on the playground? It was so fun and carefree. You still have that in you. Your muscles have that memory. Your body has that memory. We're just reintroducing it. Nice and slow and safe. So be sure to like, subscribe, because we got 3 more videos coming your way with Yoga Body Trapeze. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.